Hi, me again. And today's top tip for Excel is on sorting data. Here's my data source, and it's coming from a CSV file, and so any formatting has been taken off. I'll just fit that to the columns, and I'm just simply going to make the top row, which is my headers, in bold. Now, the way that a lot of you may have been sorting, first of all, is by selecting the headers and then applying your filter and then simply using the sort options here in the filter. Now, you can do that. There are better ways of doing it. Other ways of doing it, some people have been selecting all of the data and then coming up here to choose a sort. Again, that does work. But there's no need to make a selection first. If your data is good data, all you need to do is right-click within the column you wish to sort by, and then say sort, and let's say sort A to Z under surname. You'll have noticed the flash, and actually Excel in the background selected all of the data for me to do the sort on, and it made the assumption that that header row was a header row. That was the reason I put it into bold, was to help Excel differentiate between the header and the data itself. If I then wanted to sort by another column, I also of course have the option to right click, sort, and to choose a custom sort, and in here I can say sort by office on values A to Z and add a level and then by surname. So I'm going to sort by the surname within the office where the offices are all the same. The values A to Z. So here, sorted by Berlin, and within Berlin I've got all of people sorted by their surname. And that, in a nutshell, is how you sort in Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope it's been useful.